rizile, iwele kakrizile ugezile. Her mind is boiling. Unyaka nonyaka uneziphukuphuku zakhona. Inguzanguza yajike yagundwa uhafu, kodwa simakade senzeni sigameze singaka. Why is no one staring? Is it a normal style kubo? Social anxiety is frightened by her. Nyakala ubona imbenge yomile, mani mkhuzu uthini, kuhamba ugesisa gunda yini inhloko engaka. UJoshua Dube intombazane ayonhloko ngunyaka wonke, ithwele amahlahla ijinge posing.
You've got an uncle in the furniture business, Joshua Dube.
Inkinga ngathi ziningemthatha. Now imagine dating her and she comes running to you in this crowd saying